Burnt Earth Beach House, once more, a fantastic researched project. There's a lot of research and development that is backing up the actual project. Probably years of development as well. These things don't happen quickly. And that's the beauty of working with a material such as brick. It enables such diversity of how one works it. But ultimately, it is a challenging project. It is taking risk.
Burnt Earth Beach House was another of these experimental projects that the jury were fascinated by the process. The level of work that has clearly been undertaken between the architect and the brick supplier just makes it stand out for the risks it was prepared to take, for the boundaries it was prepared to push, and understanding that the glazes were developed and the coloration of the bricks was developed to reference the local environment. So the Anglesea area, the cliff colours, but also that the flora and fauna actually has come into and shaped the coloration that's been used on the glazes. It's fascinating to hear about all of the work that was done.
The Burnt Earth Beach House used cut brick in a way that was very innovative. I understand that there was lots of materials testing that took place prior to construction, and I think that really paid off in the overall visual language of the project.
This burnt beach house was an amazing kind of experimentation in expressing brickwork in a totally fresh and individual way, and you wouldn't expect less than from John Wardle in terms of the external kind of surface outcome that is so unique.
It's the brickwork that absorbs the project into the landscape. So the brickwork, as much as it's being celebrated, is still very much about how it sits within the environment that exists.